I've never seen it. In my 33 years, in all my years of working in this industry, there's never been anybody that's investigated and protected their customers the way the HERO program does.
With the way that HERO's growing, the more eyes on these projects, the better. Our team's comprised of, when I started, we were at 4 individuals in compliance, and we're at 23 now. I've 30 years law enforcement, retired, conduct investigations, make sure contractors are working within the guidelines of the HERO program, etc. We're physically going out and providing this training, and it's made a huge difference. We go above and beyond because we protect our consumer. We want our consumers to have a happy experience with HERO. We've actually opened this up now. It's called HERO Protect. So any person, anywhere in California, who has an issue with a contractor, whether it's a HERO-related job or not, can call our consumer protection program, and we will guide them and help them along the way on how to resolve that issue. And if that means contacting authorities or whatever it might be, we've developed the resources within our department to do that.
As a single woman homeowner, I feel like you have to be very, very careful with who you hire.
Each contractor is background checked. They get screened to make sure that they are going to be compliant and that they are compliant through the whole process.
We appreciated that they kind of pre-vetted a lot of the contractors because there's a million of them out there.
I like to believe that every contractor is going to do the best job they can, but HERO doesn't allow for any wiggle room there.
We didn't have any compliance issues. Everything just went like clockwork. Nothing was ever a headache. You're going to get a reputable company because HERO would take care of the ones who aren't reputable, and so you're kind of left with the ones who you can trust.
I work with Adult Protective Services and different organizations that protect our elderly community, just kind of getting their feedback to continue to be proactive here at HERO and protecting our elder community. Dr. Gibbs runs a forensic center of UC Irvine. She's also a doctor there, geriatrics. We had Dr. Gibbs come in and kind of just make us aware of different types of sales tactics that contractors could possibly be using and not aware of that they're using.
Now people have a clear understanding of what steps we need to take.
All of my contractors that I was talking to, most of them dropped off when they found out that they have to qualify for HERO program.
Dr. Gibbs and the CARE program definitely have mentioned that we are years ahead of other industries in our consumer protections here at HERO, and it's great to see how the positive feedback on that level from those organizations.
At first I didn't understand HERO, but I gave HERO a call and I was pleasantly surprised. A HERO property advisor is someone from the real estate community who is knowledgeable about mortgages and purchases and transactions and disclosures. So it's kind of like we're all speaking the same language. I have closed over 30 HERO transactions or home loans with HERO on the property. What's really good about HERO is the clients that I've worked with had some issues. The solar panels weren't attached correctly. I just knew right away that, you just have to call HERO. And so I gave him a call for him and the problem was fixed, it was resolved. And that is another example of how I know that HERO truly does want to help people.
Our business was suspended from the HERO program for 3 days. Instantly. There was an individual that we brought aboard that was practicing unscrupulously with another contractor. So we were suspended. Everything is stopped. So I've learned from that to investigate it further when I bring someone aboard.
Our case management that's being built out, our case files, everything mimics law enforcement. 2 of our employees received an award from the FBI, a citation for their assistance in an investigation that involved a real estate fraud. The homeowners that do call in to complain about a contractor, they have no idea on what steps to take. And without us, they'd be out on their own. There's no recourse at all. With our financing, you have a recourse, you have a consumer protection. So nobody else does that.
They're the police of our industry, which I feel very good to be around. You feel safe and protected, knowing they're behind us to keep those unscrupulous contractors out.
I got security. I feel safe. It's a fabulous program.
Just being secure, feeling safe and protected by the HERO program was great.